Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and Merry Christmas from the Scare Factor. Tonight, our Christmas haunted attraction adventures brings us back to the Culbertson Mansion, now rebranded as the House of Anguish in New Albany, Indiana, just a stone's throw across the river from Louisville, Kentucky. And tonight is their Krampusnacht event. But this is no ordinary Krampus or Christmas-themed haunt. Tonight, it is Judgment Day for Team Zombillies. Krampus himself is going to decide whether we're on the naughty or the nice list. So not only do we have to escape the clutches of Krampus, there may be some Christmas cookies involved, but not all Christmas cookies want to be cooked. Be sure to comment what your favorite scene is and like and subscribe for some more Christmas haunts. Without further ado, let's get in here and get some Krampusnacht scares. Candy Cane Lane.
Oh, Candy Cane Lane? Yeah. Oh, Candy Cane Road. They weren't kidding. La, na, 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 na. What do you guys think's in there? Think there's Santa Claus? What about chainsaws? Chainsaws? Trevor's hoping there's no chainsaws. You see anything up there, Tammy? Oh, Tammy, look. Oh no.
Krampus!
Oh,
hello.
Crap. Can we get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
Oh no. Oh no. Okay, make yourself comfortable.
Oh no, that's gonna move.
Oh, it smells great in here. There's a bear and a tutu.
Me? There is.
What'd you just say?
Oh, not me.
Oh gosh.
I knew that it was only a matter of time before your sins returned you here to me.
Yeah.
But before I take what is rightfully mine, I offer you the choice. Be honest. Have you been naughty? Nice.
Definitely been naughty.
Don't lie to me.
Definitely been naughty. We're not
Naughty.
There is virtue in honesty.
Let's be honest, none of us have been nice.
Take your just punishment.
Oh, that way, Tammy. We gotta go to our punishment. Our just punishment. Oh God.
Oh,
What if we've been
Lord,
nice?
it is dark.
Trevor, you have not.
Have not been nice.
Oh, oh, it's you again.
Evil Snowman. Evil Snowman.
Oh, we just went back.
Our
What are we doing back?
That was an
sins have
infinite
returned
loop.
us once again.
A deal?
Oh, a deal?
I don't know if we should make a deal with you.
You see, there are naughty children about.
Oh.
Children who owe their souls to me. Bring their souls to me, and I will consider your sins forgiven.
You've got all of them.
Yeah.
Consider it done.
Forget those kids.
Tammy said she's grabbing anyone shorter
Anyone
than
shorter
her.
than me, I'm grabbing them.
What are we gonna do with them? Take
Lindsay,
them
you
back
might
to
be in
him.
danger.
Oh, no.
Okay.
There he is again. There he is
It's a
again.
festive rat. Rat.
Oh, evil nieces.
It's festive.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Oh, what is that? It's a horn.
It's Christmas
Awesome.
dinner.
I think you're
my
dinner. Oh God. Okay. All
an
right.
angry
Well.
possum.
Oh, you got some big old sharp teeths. Oh no. There's a ramp.
Oh, this moves.
Oh, it does move. Oh.
Oh gosh, it's four moves.
Yeah. This is great. Whoa. Oh, there's a big D.
Uh-oh.
There's two. There's a double D.
There's a double D.
Oh God, something's somewhere. I just don't know where.
I don't know.
Growling behind us. Oh my.
Let's try to get Trevor.
Oh
Oh.
my. Oh.
Oh no, I don't like this.
I don't like it either. You just stay in there, and everybody will be fine.
I don't like it.
Wait, are we in the cage or are you?
That's a good question. I'm waiting for somebody to suddenly spring.
Something's gonna happen.
Oh gosh. The candles are floating. Oh no. No again.
Wow.
You just made Tammy do a nice little jingle jangle. There's a Christmas jingle.
He scared my nutcrackers.
He scared your nutcrackers. Oh no. Okay, we'll celebrate.
Cannot wait to celebrate.
Oh, they've done a mighty good job decorating Santa. Oh, where'd they go?
I don't know.
I know I heard them. Oh gosh.
Oh, I got you.
Oh,
Yes.
Tammy.
Just what you asked for.
What's in there?
What is it?
What is it?
I don't know.
That's what everyone wants.
Oh, skin!
Yeah.
That's gross! Whose skin is that?
Well, fine. If you all don't want my gift, maybe you could give something to me.
No. That's not said this way. Tammy, that way, I think.
Not me.
Here, we've got guests coming. He's cooking you all up something real tasty.
Uh-oh, it's not skin, is it? You got some cookies?
Oh, I'm so happy that you're here.
Oh, look in there.
We have some cookies. I think they're almost ready.
That's a big cookie.
That is a big cookie.
Oh, man. That cookie's hot. She said just a few more minutes. Oh, my God.
That was right.
Oh, she put him back. She put him back. Pete.
Oh, shit, Nora.
What? Oh, it's getting closer.
There's spider webs.
Oh, no. Ew, that means something made the web.
That means you're effed.
Oh, my God. No. Oh, God, it's the cookie. Oh, the gingerbread one. He's out. Oh.
That's the gingerbread.
He got out of the oven. Are you okay? No. I'm sorry. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh, my.
I think they need to put that cookie back in the oven.
Trevor has a friend back there. Oh, no.
He's not done yet.
Yeah, I don't think that cookie's done.
Tammy.
Oh, he's still excited.
No. What is that? Oh my goodness!
I am seeing.
Oh no! Do not feed them.
It's so nice to see so many elves.
No.
Elf?
Have you seen any kids?
We are kind of short.
Yeah. Wow.
Come on. You're lucky I'm watching this stage.
Uh-oh. Oh my! What in the world? Oh, you're Tyler. He's not locked in there.
You gotta take it.
Oh my God!
Oh,
There's more.
can I take a bite? Heck no.
I'm not very sweet.
Where are we going?
Oh, God.
One
Right
bite.
behind me. Oh, God. Oh, God.
You're my person.
Protect Tammy.
It's the Grinch.
The Grinch is up there.
Oh my!
I see him.
Camera, make sure you get to my good side.
I got it.
One of you's gonna come with me, and the other's
Four.
gonna get in that box right there.
Yeah.
gotta
Who's
get
coming with me?
this box.
Tammy.
Who's gonna get the present?
Tammy, you coming with me?
Tammy's going.
All right, the rest of you. Coming with me.
See you on the other side.
There you are.
Oh God.
We all get the box?
Yes.
Come on. Friend is not a trained professional. Your friend might die. My dear condolences. I hope you have fun and outside. Bye, Tammy.
Tammy, how'd you get down there?
Tammy. I'm naughty.
Nice.
He says he's nice.
Nice.
I don't believe him. She's naughty.
Hello, friends.
Yeah.
We're still here.
Yeah.
And she survived. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Thanks for not killing us.
Be nice.
Welcome.
Oh no. What is that?
Oh, no, I gotta go.
There's a tree. Oh my God, it's a tree with a song. Oh my God. Wow. Trevor's running.
Oh, man, they're gonna kick me out.
He's breaking the rules.
Now they're never gonna believe that I'm nice.
I've never in my life went down a hill in a casket.
All right, guys, well, that was the Krampusnacht event here at the House of Anguish here at the Culbertson Mansion. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. Always a super fun haunt to go to. We love coming here every year, especially for Christmas, getting to see the inside of the mansion. We hope you enjoyed it too. I've got the next Christmas video for you right here. I'll see you over there. Until then, stay scary.